Tommy,
Yeah.
do you want to come back to me?
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Hold on sa mong mata. The answer is yes or no, not hold on.
No. Say that again.
Sa?
What is your question again?
Do you want to come back to me?
I'm going to say this before. I'm not even going to answer that question. I'm going to reply to it.
Yes or no is the question only. No
somebody else
other
already-
answer. I said, my question is,
Inday? Yes, madam. I go, okay? Wake up, sir. You cook, sir. Ha? Wake up, sir, madam. I cook, sir. Yes. Sir, wake up. You cook, sir. You fry fish, sir. And then, you eat, sir. I eat, sir. Okay? I go.
Sana ang pag-ibig parang itlog ng mga lalaki. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi,
Kasi ano? Ha? Sabihin mo! Ituloy mo!
ginagawa mo.
Bakit? Natatakot ka? Sabihin mo! Huwag ka matakot!
Hindi man sila pantay. At least, hindi naghihiwalay.
Gago!